go wherever you want. Tonight we're showing City of the Walking Dead and Joysticks, a double feature. Right now we're rewinding, this is Joystick coming at
awesome.
you. 35mm, crazy. Check it out.
My name and light. Play with my joystick. Wing left, turn it right.
Right here we got some projectors. If you follow me, check it out. This projector in its prime was top of its class. This was the most expensive projector. Now it's worth like maybe $30. But
wow.
This film, you'll never get, even if you shoot on digital, it'll never be this quality for the next 200 years. This film, the quality in it, it's raw. It's a raw material. You know? That's why people don't understand that digital is just junk. We got about 30 minutes on this reel over here. Then you switch it over. This is a coming attraction, so we're going to start with this reel. And this is not the movie, these are just like trailers.
Yeah.
And then we're going to start over here. This is the actual movie. And it's going to be sick. Check it out.
Nice.
No, wait! Does that mean I looked at my own video game? Come on, no!